Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. It means a lot. In today's video we'll be working, guys, on a Ford Focus, third generation, guys, MK3. This one should cover the years 2012 to 2018. And if you're guys trying to find your intake temperature sensor, guys, stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. It is integrated in one piece with another sensor. So you have two sensors at one spot, guys, and we'll explain where it is. Now, if that sensor is bad, usually you may get a code such as P0113. I think it was related to intake temperature sensor fault. So we'll show you guys what needs to be done to fix that. Make sure to stay with us. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos, guys, on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you now, okay, what we're talking about and what we're working on. This is a 2012 Ford Focus, but doesn't matter if you have a 12, 15, guys, the procedure will be about the same. Now, you need to go ahead, open the hood of your vehicle. And once you guys open the hood of your Ford Focus, guys, right here, you see you have your air filter box right here. Then you guys have the intake boot, throttle body, intake manifold. And if you look, guys, right here past the air filter box, okay, you have one sensor. This sensor, guys, is actually called MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. And the intake temperature sensor, guys, on Ford Focus is located right here, guys, in that sensor. It's actually a double sensor, mass airflow sensor and intake temperature sensor. It consists of two things. That's why you have so many wires too. And if I go ahead and disconnect it, guys, okay, if I disconnect it, it's just one wiring harness, okay, for all that. And now if it's disconnected and I check it on the inside with the scanner, I can show you guys it will actually have no reading for that thing. Okay, let me show you quick, and you will, guys, okay, this is the scanner that I will be using, NT301. You can find, guys, the link in the description of the video below, and you will see once we plug it in and we have a good sensor how we're going to get a reading. So we open the OBD cover right here and we're going to just go ahead and plug it in. Okay, perfect. Now I go on the inside and I'm going to turn the ignition on now, guys. Okay, ignition on, scanner is connecting now. It's just going to take a little bit of time for everything to establish communication, and it will give us a few options in a little bit, and we'll pick what works for us. Okay, let's just give it a little bit of time. Perfect. Now it's establishing communication, linking to your vehicle. And it's going to tell us what we have here now. Please wait. Perfect. Now we click OK, enter. And we're going to go ahead and select, guys. Okay, usually everything is under the second module here, but always double check both. You can read codes and see live data for both modules. Depending on the equipment that you have in your Ford Focus, you may have codes and live data under both of them. And I'm going to go ahead, guys, okay, and see the live data now. And under live data, we'll be able to check that sensor. Okay, it will be any minute now. Perfect. Now we click view data, complete data set, and here we are going to, guys, okay, check somewhere it should have intake temperature sensor. Okay, intake temperature sensor, it says negative 40, guys, Celsius. That's impossible. So what we're going to do, I'll turn the ignition off. Okay, I'm going to plug it back in, and I'll show you that this sensor is actually integrated right there. Make sure that you install your safety pin as well. And now if I turn the ignition on, even without the starting, it should give us probably something in the 30s. Okay, probably it's about 30 degrees outside. We're going to click enter to establish communication again. And check it out now, guys. Okay, it's still working on establishing communication, so we need to give it a little bit of time because the ignition was off. So it will need just a little bit of time to reread everything. And if it doesn't connect, okay, what you will be able to do actually, you can go back and reconnect it and you will be able to see the numbers. That's what I'll recommend. Okay, Now you can see it's not working in our case, so every time you turn the ignition off, I would recommend just to go ahead and click live data again. And now it will be any minute. So we can see it's towards the end. Now it's going to give us the option to see all the data again. Complete data set, and check it out now, guys. We're going to scroll and we have the intake temperature sensor 35 Celsius, guys. That's definitely working. So if you're looking for your intake temperature sensor and where it's located, that's the location. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.